guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video you can already tell from the title, yes, I will be doing Battle of the Full Coverage Foundation. Yes. There have been a lot of new foundation that is out, and some of them are already on the market that I still love and I will never put down, and this one will be very interesting. So basically, I have nothing on onto my face. I did not do my eyes, I did not do my eyebrow, nothing. I only put on moisturizer and primer, and that's it. So this is me. This is how I look when I wake up. Hi, how you doing? Okay, so the two foundation that I will be trying today is the Juvia's Place foundation. I have a concealer, but this is the Juvia's. Hello, why can't I speak today? But this is the I Am Magic foundation, and I am in the shade Malawi, which is 230. I did a review on that, so make sure you check it out. I will put it up on the screen so you can check it out after this video. And the second one is the Kat Von D Locket. If you don't have this, or if you never tried the Kat Von D Locket, you need to go and try it. I'm telling you, this is super duper full coverage. It's out of this world. So these are very full coverage, and I will be putting it on my face. This side I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place, and this side I will be using the Kat Von D. And I will also use different beauty sponge for both. You know, I just want to give these both foundation a fair shot, so I will be using these. Okay, so pretty much yes. Okay, so the first I'm going to be starting off with is the Kat Von D, and I am in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. So I haven't used this in a long time, to be honest, but trust me, when I put it on, I am so happy. I am so happy. So I'm going to go ahead and shake it up, and I'm going to put 2 squirts onto my hand, and it's really thick, like it's super thick. Even the Juvia's Place is really thick. So I'm going to use the blue, baby blue, and go ahead and put it on one side of my face. And as you can see right now, it is like blending really good. And what I like about this, that it is like velvet matte, just like the Juvia's Place. And even though I do have dry skin, this velvet matte foundation does not, like, you know, make my skin dry out. It looks really good on my skin. And I did this video a lot of times that I talk about this. I think I did this last year when I talk about this Kat Von D. I have to find the video and put it up somewhere, but I did do a review on this, and I love it so much. Look at that. Like, it looked like skin on my skin right now. Like, it's so crazy how this just oxidized into my skin. And as I said, you do not need a lot. Trust me. Just like the Juvia's Place, you do not need a lot on your skin. So I'm gonna bounce this around. Okay guys, so look at that. Look how, like, you can't tell me that this is not my skin tone. Like, this matched me to the T. Like, this is so good on my skin. It's, you see how, like, it have a little sheen to it, like right here. You could see a little sheen to my face, even though it's velvet matte. And this is the reason why I love it so much. And this is really good. Like, if you do have dry skin, don't be scared of this, even though it's a like matte. Don't be scared of this. I'm telling you, this is really good, and I really love it so much. I did have the concealer, but it's finished. That concealer is super thick, like super duper thick, and I just love both of them together, but I don't have the concealer. So the next one I'm going to be using is the Juvia's Place. You guys, like, that review that I did last week, oh my God. Like, I love this foundation. I love it so much. You do not need a lot. Trust me, this is good for you. Let me tell you that. Don't go overboard, okay? So I'm gonna use another beauty blender, which is damp. And I'm gonna do it on this side. Okay guys, so as you can see how this look, oh my God, this looks so nice. Like, I mean, you could tell from like a distance or so that this one is a little bit more, a little tint darker, but it's still my complexion. And this one is a little bit lighter and it's still my complexion. Like, look at my neck. You can never tell the difference at all. But look, I still have a little bit on my hand. Like, you do not need a lot of the Juvia's Place, trust me. But look at this. Look how flawless my skin is. I'm not even gonna front. Like, my skin looks so flawless and so nice. Like, which one do you think looks better on me though? Like, with no concealer on my face, I'm gonna turn to the side. And which one do you think looks better on me? Like, you know, leave it in the comment section. Let me know. The Juvia's Place or the Kat Von D or both, you know. Can I get away with both? Like, can I mix both together and just bam, put it on my face? But I just love this so much. I love it. Okay, so pretty much I'm gonna go off camera, do my eyebrow, do my concealer underneath my eyes because I do have the Juvia's Place concealer, but I don't have the Kat Von D. So, you know, I don't think it's like, you know, fair to do just one side with the Juvia's Place with the concealer and then I don't have the Kat Von D concealer. So I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape concealer right here. This one is in deep and I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit, and it's really thick. She is thick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my damp beauty blender and blend it out. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did my concealer and I used my Sacha Buttercup to set that concealer. So now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do my eyebrow and I'm going to do a little bit of, you know, lashes and stuff, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back, fully glammed up, nothing too crazy, but let me tell you something. You see my face right now? Let me just come up closer so you can see. Do you see my face right now? You can never tell I have on two different foundation. Like, no way. No way. These two combined together is a dynamite. Let me tell you that. It is a dynamite. Like, this side is the Juvia's Place. This side is a Lock-It foundation from Kat Von D. Like, I don't know which one is my favorite, to be honest. Like, they oxidize so well. Like, look at that. And look at that. You can never tell. So if you see a difference and you like one side more than the other, leave it in the comment section and let me know who won. Like, let me know who won, Juvia's Place or Kat Von D, because I don't know. I can't decide, to be honest. And I just love it. I can't decide. It really looks good. And I could definitely mix both of them together. And you could never tell that I have on two different foundation. Like, no way. But you guys decide. Let me know in the comment section, Juvia's Place or Lock It Foundation from Kat Von D. Who won? Like, who won? And do you think that both of them match me perfectly? But pretty much this is the final of the video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know who win and who fail. And don't forget, I upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. But before you go, I want you to watch this video right here, right now. Click it right after this video, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.